Good, bright, and beautiful Columbus Day afternoon to everyone from GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and it's a beautiful day for parades around the region in New York City, Philadelphia, and your local hometown communities as well. Beautiful day for Columbus Day, gorgeous skies and gorgeous temperatures. And Game 3 of the Major League Baseball tonight in Citi Field. It's going to be beautiful out there for the Mets and the Dodgers. Let's root for the Mets. This is the in-depth video forecast analysis discussion for this beautiful Monday, the 12th of October, 2015. And at 12 noon this afternoon, we have temperatures in the low to the mid-70s predominantly throughout most of the region, a few upper 60s over interior northwestern New Jersey and parts of eastern Pennsylvania like Philadelphia is at 68, but skies are mostly sunny. It's just absolutely gorgeous outside, and the pressures are beginning to fall off a little bit as an area of disturbance moves towards our region for tomorrow. But right now, it's just gorgeous outside. 12 noon surface chart from weatherroanoke.com and Digital Atmosphere Software shows an area of disturbed weather still off the Carolina coast around our old frontal boundary here. High pressure is in control of our region right now. This is scooting out to sea, may give us a clipping of some moisture from the cloud cover, but this is more imperative here. This is a cold front and a low across southeastern Canada, crossing the Great Lakes region with a few widely scattered showers as it moves through the region late tonight, particularly during the day tomorrow, but most regions will remain mostly completely dry. Beautiful picture on the visible satellite this afternoon. Just some striations of the clouds here over the hills and mountains of northwestern New Jersey. It's all sunny and clear under this domain of high pressure. This is our disturbance off the Carolina coast, filtering in just a little bit of cloud cover offshore and especially around coastal North Carolina. And here's our next cold front moving in from the west across the Great Lakes, but predominantly this looks very, very dry to me. The atmosphere also showing signs of very moderate dry mid and upper layers of the atmosphere, and there's absolutely no precipitation ongoing and very little is forecast over the next 24 hours. We have no watches, warnings, or advisories on the coastal plain or the interior plain, and no airport delays either, except if you're in Southwestern Airlines, where that's another story. On the aviational weather deck for today, VFR conditions expected to continue throughout the TAF period. Millville has been socked in with some ground fog. That was earlier this morning. That has now broken up completely. Light winds across the region will become south to southwest at speeds at less than 10 knots tonight through Tuesday. Winds will then become light and variable again tonight. Mainly high clouds expected and some cumulus development this afternoon. Skies will start to become cloudier tonight as a cold front approaches from the west and a weak low pressure system passes to our east. On Tuesday, VFR through MVFR ceilings possible, particularly near Allentown and Reading in the morning. Brief MVFR restrictions also possible at any terminal in any shower. Coverage of showers will be quite limited. Now for Tuesday night through Wednesday night, as the screen refreshes, abundant stratocumulus clouds may contain lower ceilings with the upper end of MVFR conditions at times, and that's as the cold pool moves in through the region. Thursday and Thursday night VFR, Friday mostly VFR, temporarily NVFR conditions possible in any shower. It's just gorgeous out there for flying, doing anything out there today. Right now at Newark, it is 73. That's warm for this day. We should be in the mid and upper 60s across the region, so we're definitely above normal. Dew point comfortable 48, humidity 41%, and VFR conditions in place. Philadelphia looks good too. It is 68 right now, dew point 50, humidity 53%. Wind is southwest at about 7. Beautiful skies, clear skies, VFR conditions in place. Current analysis this morning from the Weather Prediction Center. Here's our cold front moving through the Great Lakes. Our upper level low here southwest of Hudson's Bay, Canada. Here's our disturbance off the Carolina coast, and basically just a weak trough here over the ridges, over the Virginias into the Carolina mountains this afternoon. Everything's looking nice outside. Now, we could get a little bit of a clipping here along the coast with this disturbance here as it moves to the east with some light rain showers as depicted here from early tomorrow morning. Most of this energy with the cold front will be moving through the region during the morning and afternoon hours, and there is a slight chance of a shower or so as the front moves through. Now, this disturbance here will continue to move off to the north and east, clipping the outer Cape Cod area, and there's a slight chance. Now, this is not this whole region is not going to be in for complete washout of rain as this is being depicted here. This is just a slight chance in this region as the cold front moves through, and the cold front will move through the region during the afternoon hours and ending the chances of any widely scattered showers. And those will be stratocumulus clouds developing as the upper low begins to weaken and fill a little bit, and the upper level trough begins to swing through the region on Wednesday morning. And then just beautiful ridging builds through the forecast region from the center of the nation all the way up into the northern mid-Atlantic coast states and southern New England as well. And that would be on Thursday. We're expecting another front, another dry passage of a cold front to be appearing on our back doorstep probably Friday night or early Saturday morning. Very slight chance of a shower as it dissolves itself across the region. Then very cool, dry Canadian polar high pressure will begin to spread into the central plains and eventually just work its way into the eastern United States. It's going to be another fantastic weekend. Can't ask for better than this on a surface chart. High pressure located over the Ohio River Valley all the way to the mid-Atlantic coast states, providing abundant sunshine, cool seasonable temperatures for this time of the year, and it lasts right through next Monday. Now the next 6 to 10 days from October 17th through the 21st, a slight departure below normal here, which is expected with the cold pool moving in after the series of cold fronts move through the region over the next couple of days into the weekend. Above normal here across most of the west regions of the United States. Now, the precipitation outlook with this will be below normal across most of our region. Above normal in the southwest. This is El Nino response 2 and a digging upper level low. So that's imperative that we watch that trend as it continues to evolve. The next 8 to 14 days, October 19th through the 25th, basically looking at above normal temperatures, near normal temperatures here across the northern mid-Atlantic region, and it's been a spectacular October for many places here. Next 8 to 14 days below normal in precipitation, again for the forecasted region. Once again, the data from the Mid-Atlantic River Forecast System Center actually shows that we are, as of yesterday, we are still below normal in precipitation here across most of this region, across northeastern New Jersey into the lower Hudson Valley, New York City, and Long Island as well. So for everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Have a spectacular Monday afternoon.